Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you the top WordPress SEO plugins that you need. So when it comes to ranking your website on the internet, you will need what we call SEO plugins, which means search engine optimization. So once you are good with search engine optimization, then that's to say that Google or any other search engine can be able to rank your websites on the internet. So in this video, I'm going to show you plugins that can help you, to give you insight of what you need to do in order to see that your website, as well as your blog posts, can be able to rank on search engines. So I'm going to show you the top 5 WordPress SEO plugins that you can use. So this is my dashboard, my WordPress dashboard. So once you're in your WordPress dashboard, then you can be able to install these plugins into your WordPress website, so you can be able to get insight, like I said earlier on, get insight about how your post is doing on the internet. Now if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, then here what we'll talk about is anything about tech business, and as well as online business, so digital marketing and the rest of that, affiliate marketing and the rest of that. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, like I said, you can just do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon there, so you'll be able to receive new updates and new videos from me, new interesting tech videos. Actually, you can be able to receive them from me. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to first look at the plugins I'm talking about. So once you're in your WordPress dashboard, just like the one you have here, so you just go over to plugins, and then click on add new. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 5 WordPress SEO plugins I'm talking about, and I'll give you my own recommendation. I'm going to tell you because I've used all these WordPress SEO plugins, and I'm going to tell you something specific about each of them. So I'm going to tell you something that you need to know about each of them, and my own best, like the one I really use and I love using mostly, because I've developed a lot of websites and I know much the patterns when it comes to SEO. I don't know what much the patterns on ranking categories. So there are ones that can help you easily, and it does with that. Just by a click of a button there, we can just help you some certain things and give you some certain things. So each of them have their unique. Each of them have each of them have their unique function, but I'm just going to show you the one I recommend mostly. So let's get right into it to see the first one I have on my list, which is Yoast login. So if you come over here, we click on the Yoast. Okay, remember I click on add new, so if you're able to show me this interface, so you can equally go ahead to do that. So once you click on Yoast, this is the Yoast plugin I'm talking about. As you can see here, to know that it's a good SEO plugin that can help you, in order to be able to get, like I said earlier on, know more about how your blog post will rank. You will see here that it has over 5-star ratings, about 5+ million active installations. What this thing means here is that about 5 million websites has 5 million plus websites has Yoast installed on their website. As you can see it here, this is it, and already it's been updated. That this is showing you now, these are the functions to show you that these SEO plugins are the top ones that you need, you need to know about, because just like you're having here, last updated is like 5 days from the very time I'm making this video. So it has about, as you can see, the second factor here, which is the 5 million plus installs, and as well as over 5 rating, like over 5-star rating. This is the plugin I'm talking about. Now this plugin has the premium version as well as the free version. So the one you see here is the free version of Yoast, which you can just install. If I click install now, I have installed it, then I can be able to use it to check my posts and rest of that. So it has the premium plugin, and it also has this free one. So this is the free one which you can install, which is Yoast. Now the second one I'm talking about is, you can equally go to yoast.com. You can equally go to yoast.com to be able to, and if I click here, I can open their website. So you can go to yoast.com to see mostly what this this plugin can do for you. To see what the plugin can do for you, you can come over here and check it out. So for the next plugin I'm talking about is Rank Math. Let me go ahead and show you the plugin I'm talking about. It's Rank Math. Now this is a wonderful SEO plugin. This is a wonderful SEO plugin. As you can see, the last update is just about 2 weeks ago, which is not that bad, it's not like it's updated like 6 months ago or 1 month ago. Just within 2 weeks ago. This to show you that these people are they're active to look at how their plugin is being is operating on the internet. So it has about 2 million plus installs, like active installations, and has over 5,000 5 rating stars. So this is one of the best like you can think of, like Rank Math SEO. So the third one I'm going to talk about is just the one right behind this Rank Math, which is all-in-one SEO. All-in-one SEO. Now this is the blog. This plugin is very okay. Now it has about 3 million installs and over 4.5, as you can see, over 4.5 installs, active installations, over 4.5 star ratings, and it's been updated within 3 days ago. As you can see, these plugins are very nice plugins that you can think of. So that's the third plugin I'm talking about, which is all-in-one SEO. You can even install these plugins. These are the free versions which you can get here. Now you can go to their website to be able to download the premium version, pay for it, and then install what from these free ones here. You can be able to input the key that will be given to you, unique key that will be generated for you from each and one of them. So you just input that key, and the premium one will be installed for you automatically. So here we have the next one to be SEO Press. Now this is the fourth one that you need. This SEO Press, this is the on-site basic SEO Press on-site SEO, a simple, fast, powerful, and the rest of that. So all these websites I've recommended, plugins I've recommended, which is this all-in-one, Rank Math, SEO, Yoast, SEO Press, and Yoast. They are all lightweighted plugins. Like they are all lightweighted plugins that can help you in order to see that you check up on your post before you click that publish button. So before you click that publish button, these plugins can help you to see things. Like I'm going to create a video that will show you how to be able to use each of these plugins to be able to optimize your post for SEO. I'm going to show you how to do that, but in this video I'm just showing the top WordPress SEO plugins that you need to know. So if you want to watch the video, like I'm going to make that video and I'm going to show you how the process is and on how you can be able to optimize your WordPress post, like your blog post, in order to see that it ranks on search engines. So SEO Press is the next SEO plugin that you can use. As you can see, it has updated. Last update was 1 week ago, and it has about 200,000 active installation, which is not bad. Over 5-star rating, which is very okay. So something similar to this Rank Math and all-in-one SEO. So the last one but not least is the Jetpack SEO plugin. So this Jetpack comes with a lot of features. It comes with a lot of features. It has about 5 million plus installation, and this Jetpack, honestly, it comes with a lot of features, just like I mentioned, like both for security, for both many things that are there. Just search for Jetpack. Actually, search for Jetpack. Once you install the plugin, to recommend many things for you, and mostly I would recommend you use this Jetpack with another SEO, because most of you can teach the Jetpack for its security and most of the things, and while they use the other ones to optimize their posts. Because I rated this Jetpack the last or the least, because it is much more it can't be much compared with Yoast, Rank Math, all-in-one, and SEO Press. So but when it comes to my own recommendation, I think the best you can think of to use as of now is the Rank Math SEO plugin. Now, this is one of the best, like I said, just for me. It is the one that I really enjoy using, the rank match, because there are many functionalities that you can get from just the free one, but the ones they do automatically for you without even you know it. Once you install the plugin, there are things they just automatically do for you without you even having an idea. Even if you're using, let's say if you're using Yoast and you want to migrate to Blackmat, just install. In the process of installing the plugin, I'm going to show you that maybe in the next video to show you how you can install it, I also use it to optimize the LinkedIn posts and the rest of that. So even if you are using something like all-in-one SEO or Yoast already and want to use this Blackmat SEO, once you install the plugin, it will get the data from all the data that you have in Yoast and put it in its own just by a click of a button. You don't need to do anything, which means your data will be saved. Your data, any data you have on your website will be saved. You won't need to worry about if this thing is doing this or that, anything of that nature, and many other things that it can help you do, which I'm going to show you when I review the plugin. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to use the plugin to be able to optimize your posts for SEO, like for search engines. So this is the top 5 best you can use on the internet today. So see you in the next video.